Hey tech lovers, welcome back to another fresh episode of Mobile Funda. Today we are talking about something really exciting, the HyperOS 3.0, and I will tell you what features are coming to mid-range or base model devices. So if you want a Xiaomi mid-range or base model phone, then this video will be super helpful for you. Make sure to watch it till the end. So first up, animations. HyperOS 3.0 will bring fresh animations across the system. But if you are on a mid-range device, don't expect the fancy transition you see on flagship. You will mostly get the basic, like app open-close animation, control center toggles like brightness and volume bar, and that's it. The reason is simple. Advanced animations consume more processing power, and budget phone just can't handle that smoothly. Next is the lock screen. Yes, we are also getting the new lock screen layout on mid-range phones. But here's the catch. No dynamic lock screen and no fancy lock screen animation. So if you really want those premium effects, the only option is to use a Chinese theme through backup and restore method. And for that, you need to follow Mobile Funda for future HyperOS themes. Moving to Circle to Search, HyperOS 3.0 improves this feature on mid-range devices as well. But don't expect any new addition. It will work the same way as now, just a bit smoother. Now this one is interesting, the new Super Island, or you can call it a Dynamic Island. And yes, this feature is also coming to mid-range phones, but again with limitations. Officially, HyperOS 3.0 will support 70 plus apps and features with Super Island. But here's the bad news. Mid-range phones might not even get many of them because of processing limitations. So for these devices, you will mostly see it in system apps like Call, Torch, Message, Notifications, Music, and some other system apps. By the way, the advanced tap and expand option will also stay exclusive to flagship or upper mid-range phones. Security is getting stronger too. HyperOS 3.0 will bring improved MI login protection, making your account and personal data safer than now. But it's not just about security. Even our Gallery app is getting a new look. The new Gallery app is also getting a new design with a new search function. But again, limitations apply. On flagship phones, you will get AI-powered search feature, while on mid-range devices, it will just be a simple search. And in fact, on mid-range or base models, this feature might not even be available. HyperOS 3.0 will also refresh system apps with new icons and smoother animations. But again, for base models, animation won't be included. You will only get the new icons. And of course, what's an update without brand new wallpapers? And yes, there are HyperOS 3.0 wallpapers. But for mid-range devices, they will only be static. So dynamic wallpapers remain exclusive for flagship users. So after all these changes, what's the final verdict? So for me, for mid-range users, HyperOS 3.0 feels like the same dish but with a little flavor change. You will get new visuals and smoother experience. But the real fun, that is advanced animations, dynamic lock screen, AI gallery search, tap to expand Super Island, and full feature support. That's only for upper mid-range and flagship devices. That's all for today's video. I hope today's funda was clear. If yes, then don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to Mobile Funda for more HyperOS videos. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring. Jai Hind.